IBO Media Show exclusively presents the IBO Heritage Musical, Talent and Cultural Awards program, coming soon on Ben TV.
My fellow Nigerians,
IBO artists are invited to send in their best song to compete for the public vote. Do you have a great talent that deserves to be exposed? IBO Heritage Award is designed to recognize and reward you. To register and compete for this exclusive award, send in your profile to IBO Media, 38 Junction Road, South Croydon, Surrey, CR2 6RB, or email awards@iboheritage.org. To advertise or sponsor, visit www.ibomedia.co.uk.
So today I've got two guests with me. They are artists anyway, Nigerian artists, IBO musicians. And the first one is Kayo. I'm going to be talking to him right now. Kayo, you're welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
Would you like to introduce yourself to the viewers?
Okay, basically my name's Kayo. I'm a musician based here in London. I write and produce my own music.
How did you discover your talent as a musician?
I think growing up, listening to music, I developed an interest for music. Slowly I got into writing my own music and producing afterwards.
What was your source of inspiration? Who inspired you?
What artists?
Yeah, what really inspired you to become an artist or to think about singing?
Just listening to music, watching TV, seeing artists perform, this kind of thing. Yeah.
Which of the artists are your favorite artists?
I like a variety of artists. I grew up in Liverpool, so I was heavily influenced by the Beatles, some Nigerian artists.
Martin Benz, what have you just said?
Yeah, Kayo 99.
Yes.
Kayo Dinero. He's got so many wonderful names.
Yes.
I'm very inspired by the way you've gone up there and you're doing your thing at your very young age. It's youths like yourself that we need in the society to inspire other youngsters. I've been to YouTube. I've seen quite a number of lyrics that you have, going back to how you've come about designing your write-ups. And of course, it's good. What drives you? Where do you want to see yourself in about 2 to 3 years' time?
I think first of all, what drives me is just success. I think succeeding drives me. I think once you work hard at something, anything can be achieved. So I think just success drives me. In 3 years' time, I'd like to be hopefully owning my own company, signing other artists, helping other artists with the skills that I've acquired, like you say, designing. I've got a lot of connections and stuff overseas. So just pushing other artists forward and just making my whole shit bigger.
That's good.
Yeah.
And you've also got links with the distribution line as well.
Yes.
Where you can really market your own music. You don't rely on a big recording label to come and sign you up. You're really out there getting on with it.
Yeah.
I'm very, very amazed. And of course, you're heading into the American market.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Give us a little clue about that.
Okay. Well, basically, I've linked up with some artists in America. Lino Cordova, Ike Boys. They're based in New York, Syracuse. I'm heading out to New York at the end of this month. So I'm going to just do some research, establish some further connections. Basically, I just want to get a hold of the American market. At the moment, I understand there's a thirst for UK music in America. So I think with the right connections and the right drive, the right ambition and stuff, I think that we could establish some good connections in America, hopefully start distributing some material out there as well.
Excellent.
Yes.
Wonderful. And you come all the way from Liverpool.
Of course,
back in the days.
Yeah.
You really come into London and you're blasting London like no man. And of course I know when you get there in America you gotta do something crazy. And of course, what would you like to give to other young people like yourself?
I'd like to just teach them that you don't have to rely on these big record labels, you don't have to wait for people to come and do things for you. I think everything can be done from home. You can start off at home, you can push everything yourself independently. I think if you've got the drive to push independently, once you get the right connections, the right links, everything, you can then go forward with these things. So I think for the youths, I want to encourage, first of all, getting the knowledge of the business, but also having the drive. And I think this is important. I think 20% based on your music and 80% based on knowing the business. Yeah, that's what I personally believe.
And what would it mean for you if you win an award each time? Because I know you've got so much awards to win in the future. But what would it mean to you?
I'd be pleased to win an award. I think for the hard work that I've put in, for someone to recognize this hard work, I think I'll be very grateful. But at the moment, I'm not waiting on any rewards, only the ones that I bring for myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Thank you very much, Kayo.
No problem.
Thank you so much.
very
Thank you for coming on to this show, IBO Media Show. We're very grateful. Keep watching. We'll be right back after the short break. Thank you very much.
IBO Media Show exclusively presents the IBO Heritage Musical, Talent and Cultural Awards program, coming soon on Ben TV.
My fellow Nigerians,
IBO artists are invited to send in their best song to compete for the public vote. Do you have a great talent that deserves to be exposed? IBO Heritage Award is designed to recognize and reward you. To register and compete for this exclusive award, send in your profile to IBO Media, 38 Junction Road, South Croydon, Surrey, CR26RB, or email awards@iboheritage.org. To advertise or sponsor, visit www.ibomedia.co.uk.
Welcome back to the show. My second artist today is. Would you like to introduce yourself to us? Right.
My name is Menes Chinedu Anonan. I'm a musician.
Okay, this talent of yours, you've been singing and all that. When did you discover this talent of yours to become a singer?
Years ago, about 15 to 20 years ago.
Okay. What happened to us?
Chinedu, you are very talented. It's just that I don't know why you're not blasting us with so many things that you've done. I hear that you also perform on top events where you just take the stage and do a lot of things. What inspires you to doing these things?
Because the day I came the show, they called me. I saw a lot of things, a lot of people in Nigeria there. I just decided for me to put my own efforts to sing. That is why.
Okay, so do you enjoy what you do?
Yeah.
You enjoy this, yeah?
How many musics have you produced at the moment?
At the moment, my first album, I got first album there. I still got multiple albums coming out very soon.
Okay. What about video music?
The video by Grace of God, maybe before December is coming out.
What's the title of that album?
God has done it again.
If you think you have what it takes, please go to www.ibomedia.mobi/events, or you can better still send an email of your profile or bio to awards@iboheritage.org.